In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extract audio from a video in DaVinci Resolve using the real simple method that gives you full control over the audio and video separately. This is a super useful trick if you want to reuse a voiceover, export just the sound, or keep the audio in your project while removing the video clip from the timeline. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tips just like this. All right, let's jump in. Once you have your video placed on the timeline in DaVinci Resolve, the first thing you need to do is disable linked selection. By default, audio and video are linked together, which means when you click one part of the clip, the other parts stay selected too. To break that behavior, look at the timeline toolbar and find the chain link icon. Click it to turn linked selection off. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also use Shift-Command and L together on a Mac. As soon as linked selection is disabled, your video and audio can be handled separately. That means you can click only the video portion without automatically selecting the audio underneath it. This is the key step that makes extracting audio possible without affecting the rest of your clip. Now you can select the video portion of the clip and press backspace to delete it. Since the audio is no longer linked, the audio stays right where it is on the timeline. This is perfect if you only want the sound from the original video and don't need the visual portion anymore. From here, you have two common options. If you want to keep using the audio in your current project, you can simply leave it on the timeline and continue editing as normal. You can trim it, move it, add effects, or place it under another video. But if you want to export only the audio, you can do that too. To export the audio, make sure the audio clip is the only thing you want to deliver. Then go to the Deliver page in DaVinci Resolve. Set up your export settings for audio-only output, choose your format, and render the file. This gives you a clean audio file that you can use anywhere you need it. So just to recap, the process is really simple. First, disable linked selection using the chain link icon or the shortcut. Then select the video portion, delete it, and keep the audio on the timeline. After that, you can either export the audio or keep using it inside your project. And that's how you extract audio from a video in DaVinci Resolve the right way. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.